When we receive the machine, we install all the handles into the machine. We can see here has 3 holes: water inlet, spill water hose, water outlet. We find a funnel and insert into the water inlet and add the water. When we see the water up from this hole, meaning the water is full, we can stop at the water and press here for the funnel. About the water outlet, normally we need to change the water outlet lines. When we want to change the water, we need to open it and let the water out from the machine and then add the water. Now we connect the paddle. And insert the power. And then press here and we turn on the key switch and the emergency button. You can see here has 4 systems on the interface: hair removal, skin rejuvenation, RF, and closure. Now we check the first one, hair removal. It has 6 options: face, beginning, body, side, arm, and armpit. We can choose one we want. And here is the password. You can set to 4, and the frequency set to 3 or 4. And the power is minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 50. We can set to 20 and adjust it basis on the custom viewing. And here is the cooling system. When we turn on, the handle will be in the cooling state. When we turn on, it will be in the normal temperature state. And here is the counter. Click here, start working. And this system needs to use the magneto optical handle. This handle, and need to change the corresponding filter. The second system, skin rejuvenation. It also has this option. Here is the treatment record of different patients. And this is the pulse rate. Here is the pulse interval. This tool is already set in the backend, so you don't need to set again. And this is the second obstructing. You can set to 300 or 350. And this is the number of pulse. We can set to the maximum value 6. And this is the speed obstructing. We can set to 2 or 3. And this is the energy. We can set to 20. And adjust the basis on the customer viewing. And the eye set to 10. Here is the cooling system. When we turn on, the handle will be in the cooling state. When we turn off, it will be in the normal temperature state. And here is the counter. This system also needs to use the magneto optical handle, this handle, and also need use the corresponding filter. And the next system, RF, face, neck, body, side, arm, and armpit. It has two modes, you can choose one when you want. And the power is, minimum value is 1, and the maximum value is 20. You can set to 5 and adjust the basis on the customer building. And the time, we can set to 400 or 450. And here is the quality system. When we turn on, the handle will be in the cooling state. When we turn off, it will be in the normal temperature state. And this dry interval, you can set to 2 or 3. And here is the counter. This handle is the RF handle. We also have 3 hands. You can choose one we want. And play here, start working. And the last system, pickle sword. It has 3 wavelengths: 1064, 755, 532. Here is the system interface. Here's the energy. You can set to 300 or 350. And the frequency, we can set to 5 or 6. And this is the whole size. You don't need to set it. And this handle is pickle sword handle. When we use it, we need to change the laser hand to the corresponding wavelength. For example, here is the 1064, and here is the 1064. And put it here, and step on the pedal, start working.